everyone. Greetings of the day and a very warm welcome to Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine. Myself Dr. Indumati Somsundaram. Today in this video, we're going to highlight the award winners of session 3 of the WWW Series 1 entitled Stem Cell Biology from Bench to Bedside. As you all know, IABM Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine, an exclusive online learning platform which is knowledge, career and academic oriented online learning platform affiliated to Federation of Asian Biotech Associations, have emerged with a very unique, wonderful weekend webinar series every month at your doorsteps. And under this WWW series, we are going to highlight a topic called eminent speakers and renowned scientists, all from academic, industry and research background. And every weekend, Saturday, 6 to 8:30 is going to be a feast to your brains and ears, because these eminent speakers and scientists are going to highlight and enlighten a wide knowledge and wisdom at this specific topic to your brains at your doorsteps. And this is very similar to national conference, because in this we also have poster presentation competitions, and students of this particular WWW Series 1 have already presented their poster. Yes, the juries are evaluating and we're going to select 2 best posters in the coming week of 31st October 2020, and 2 best poster award will be announced. And not only that, as you all know, every weekend we are coming out with 2 best student award that particular weekend. And the criteria of the weekend is very simple. The relevancy of the question that is asked to the speaker, how they interact with the speaker, what is the relevant question that they ask. This is number 1. And the second criteria is of the Google form. We prepare a very simple 1 mark and MCQ related questions from the particular speech of that particular speaker. And the students who answer these questions, they will be evaluated. And based on number 1, how you interact with the scientist and relevance of the questions, and number 2, based on the Google form, we select 2 best students. So in this regard, session 1 of WWW Series 1 award goes to Miss Asha and Mr. Kamlesh. Session 2, the WWW Series 1 award goes to Miss Parul Sharma and Miss Fatima B. Sheikh. And last week on 17th of October 2020, we had session 3 of WWW Series 1. And today, I'm going to announce the best 2 winners. At the same time, before I announce the top 2 winners, I always include the top 5 students. I appreciate those top 5 students and then I announce top 2. So now the top 5 students in the order from 1 to 5 are as follows. Yes, the first prize or the first award winner goes to Dr. Niharika. The second award goes to Miss Kushbu. The third award goes to Miss P.V. Janvi, and the fourth goes to Miss Pooja, and the last goes to Miss Asha. And I would like to highlight over here, these are the top 5 awardees, and there were also few other people who were in competition like Miss Priyanka Ugle, and unfortunately due to either not the relevance of the questions or not done the test well, we have not included much. So the 2 things which I would like to highlight over here, the top 5 students who have been selected for the competition for WWW Series 1 Session 3 are Dr. Niharika, Miss Kushbu, Miss P.V. Janvi, Miss Pooja and Miss Asha. So 2 things I would like to highlight over here. For this particular session, the award goes to Miss Niharika and Miss Kushbu. So these are the 2 award winners of session 3 of WWW Series 1, and hearty congratulations to Dr. Niharika and Ms. Kushbu for winning this particular session award. And I also congratulate the other 3 people who were in close competition, because I would really like to highlight here P.V. Janvi and Pooja were also in close competitions in the last seminar as well. And this last webinar also they were in close competition. So Ms. Pooja and P.V. Janvi, you are nearing to achieve this award. Today, we have session 4 of WWW Series 1, and the next week of 31st October, we have WWW Series 1 session 5. So you still have a chance, and congratulations for being in top 5 and all the very best. And second thing I would like to highlight over here is about Miss Asha. Miss Asha has been the award winner for the first week, and she's also in close competitions with the top 5 students every week. And she's doing a wonderful job, and she's been a part of every program of IABN. So, hearty congratulations Asha to be a part of our IABM family and doing your best. And my dear other participants, still you have hopes. So do not lose hope. You still have chance. We still have 2 more weeks today. The session 4 of WWW Series 1, we have 2 speakers, Dr. Shabri Tipnis and Dr. Pankaj Kaingade. So you still have a chance. Listen to the speech, interact with them, and immediately fill the Google form questions. Note whatever you are listening to that would help you to clear all the questions which are in the form. Still 2 more weeks to go, and still not many participants have chance. So all the very best. Do not lose hope, and we have still 4 more awards to go of this particular weekend Best Student Award. And apart from that, my dear students, your posters are being evaluated, and we are going to shortly announce the results, and all the poster award winners are going to be announced during the last week of your WWW Series 1 Session 5. During the webinar session, the poster award will be announced by the speakers of the last session. And you all know the entire WWW Series 1 now will have 10 complete awardees, which includes top 2 awardees of every session. Since October has 5 sessions, we have 10 awardees of top 2 students every weekend. And not only that, we also have 2 Best Poster Award. So altogether, we have 12 Best Student Award waiting for you in this WWW Series 1. Now, if you are looking at this video for the first time, and if you also would like to participate in our wonderful weekend webinar series, and you also wanted to bag exciting prizes, letter of appreciation, ebooks, MCQs and CSR materials at your doorsteps, please join our upcoming webinar, which is on cancer biology and cancer therapeutics. And the wonderful exciting part of this particular upcoming November webinar on cancer biology and cancer therapeutics, that we have about 12 great eminent scientists and speakers in the session of November WWW Series 2. And every week you will at least have 2 to 3 speakers who are going to highlight A to Z of entire cancer biology and cancer therapeutics to your doorsteps. Yes, and the awards of every weekend, at the same time poster award continues for all our WWW series entire session, right? So what are you waiting for? Please go ahead, book your slots. The registrations for WWW Series 2 on cancer biology and cancer therapeutics is already open, and many students have already registered. And for you to register, kindly contact us at 8788382033. And if you're looking for this video for the first time, do please subscribe to our channel IABM Space Online Bio. At the same time, we request you all to follow us on Instagram, IABM Online Bio, and join our Telegram page, because we are going to give a lot of informations, MCQs and animations, videos and MCQs and story page of day-to-day different subjects to your knowledge will be added in our Instagram page. Not only that, the last 1 minute of your time please. We are coming out with several free competitions for the students, and in this video I would like to highlight about one very important competition which is going to be held tomorrow. So tomorrow we are conducting, IABM is conducting a very unique, one of its kind competition called Just a Minute. Yes, so we have already got more than 75 participants in this particular Just a Minute, and we have shared about 10 different topics to the students. And all you need to do is prepare for 1 minute all these 10 particular topics. And during the live session of the competition, we would be announcing 3 different topics. And at the next moment, within a second, you need to decide your topic, and you have to speak about the particular topic for 1 minute. And we would be selecting based on different criteria, and selection for Just a Minute are going to be as follows. You are not supposed to look into here, there to your material, because we would find it. You have to choose your topic immediately, less than 15 seconds, and you have to start speaking about the topic in less than 15 seconds. The third criteria is you will have to speak completely 1 full minute. One of our IABM program coordinator would be having a note of the timer. And if you are not able to speak for continuous 1 minute for that particular topic, you would be disqualified. And not only that, if you do not have a good communication, if you do not deliver a valid point, or if you are giving a very wrong statement, or if you have forgotten what you have prepared, I'm so sorry to say this, still you would be disqualified. So the selection criteria is only based on immediately you need to choose your topic, and within 15 seconds you have to start speaking about it. You have to speak the entire 1 minute and you should not have a break while you speak. You should not fumble while you speak. You should not have a break while you speak. And you have to have a very crystal clear, lucid content which is evidential and which is a good content at your doorsteps. We are going to give you an award for all the efforts which you are taking right away. So please prepare yourself and all the very best to all participants. We will ensure that you will definitely get your prize and we have 3 awards to win. So all the very best. See you soon with the next video. Good luck for tomorrow. And if you're watching for this first time and you wanted to participate in JAM, just a minute, please contact us at 8788382033 or email at imbmonlinebio@gmail.com and we would give you the form and still have a chance to be a part of it and win prizes. All the very best, and once again hearty congratulations to all the winners of session 3 and all the very best for my dear participants to win the session 4 and 5 prizes. Good luck, good day, bye-bye.